So for today's video, we have this question called as, Hi Udvi, I wanted to convert my personal page into a social page just like you by posting informative content and videos, but without being on camera. Will it work, or is it important to be in videos? Okay, this is an interesting question. So first of all, if you want to start a page, don't just start it because you are seeing around, like, yes, there are a lot of people who are making these good accounts, crazy accounts, informative accounts, but you really have to see if you really want to start that. Like, chances are if you start a page about something which you don't like, you will, like, stop putting your efforts into it. So for example, for me, if I don't like, I don't know, what do I don't like? If I start like a car page or like a very crazy, like some kind of bike page, chances are I will not really put that much of my effort or interest into that, creating that Instagram page, because I mean, yes, I do like cars, but I'm not like really passionate about it. Whereas if I create a page for marketing, or I create a page for travel or fashion, chances of it are like I will handle the page, I will create the page, and I will work on building that page way more longer than if I was running a car page, because that's not what my real, like, passion or like thing which I really want to do. Like like I'm very invested in it. It's not my hobby. Like, even though I like cars, it's not like I want to run a car page, you know what I mean? So definitely keep this into mind, that whatever page you are starting has to be something that you can talk about every single day, because I can talk about marketing, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, fashion, travel, lifestyle for hours and hours and hours, and I would not get tired of it. So you have to keep that in mind, that you have to start something that you know that you will not get tired of it and you can talk forever about it. Second thing which you asked is that, is it okay to start make videos without being on camera, or is it important to be in videos? So when it comes to like the context of the videos, like whatever kind of videos you are creating, let's say if you're creating videos about social media marketing, you can talk about what is influencer marketing. You do not have to be on videos. There are certain kinds of these videos on YouTube who just basically talk, like there's a voiceover and then on the screen there is some text written over it, and they are quite frankly, like explaining how everything works very very nicely. So yeah, it does not matter to if you want to be on a video, or like, is it compulsory? No, it is not compulsory. You can even make videos without being in front of the camera. You just have to, like, structure it out properly, like the videos which you keep seeing on YouTube. Or you do not even have to make videos. You can just make graphic content, the slider ones which I keep creating on Instagram, like predictions of 2021, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can even create that. So yeah, that's there. But there is this one thing which I would really love to talk about being on camera, is that your confidence when it comes to talking in front of the camera increases a lot as you keep further practicing, like talking in front of the camera. I was not like this when I talked 6 years ago in front of the camera. I was just like, hi, I am Urvi. I wasn't even able to talk. So now, like, once you start practicing yourself in talking in front of the camera, you become way more comfortable with it. And being on camera, having a face on camera, adds a personal touch to your brand, because whoever is watching the video will feel the connection, will feel that yes, this person is talking to me. It is way more personalized than just having a voiceover and text over a video. So yeah, that's that. It is not compulsory. You do not even have to make videos. You can even make graphics. But yeah, it is like a, the weight is more if you are into the frame and talking to a camera. But yeah, you do not have to start everything very very fastly. Like, go on slowly, take small steps, and just keep practicing, and then you can just evolve from there.